Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at how you can install Anaconda on a Windows machine and get started with Jupyter Notebook. Also, we'll cover up topics like creating an environment, switching between environments, installing Python packages, etc. So first step, what you have to do is visit anaconda.org, click on download Anaconda. You don't have to sign up. When you're using a Windows machine, check the version. Is it a 64-bit machine or a 32-bit machine? Most often it's going to be a 64-bit machine. Click on download. It downloads a file called an exe file. You can save it into your downloads folder. I already have the file downloaded, so I'm going to use the file from there. Yeah, once you have downloaded Anaconda, right click, go to the file location in downloads, open the file, click on next, agree to the license agreement. It asks for whether you want to install this for all the users or just the single user. In my case, I'm the only person using this machine, so I just would like to install it for me. It specifies the installation path. Now this option actually asks whether you want to add Anaconda to your home conda the terminal path. Adding your Anaconda path to the terminal has implications which actually affects other softwares which are running on your computer. So it is a personal choice whether you want to access it from the terminal or not. In my case, I prefer to access it from the terminal, so I'm adding Anaconda to the path, and then click on next. Yeah. Once the installation is completed, click on next, and finish. So now you are ready to go. Click on start menu, search for Anaconda. There you see the Anaconda prompt. If you click on the Anaconda prompt, you will be directed to your home directory. You can check the installation of Anaconda. You can verify it by typing in conda. So conda lists down the help for the documentation of conda. Now by default, this has activated the base environment. You can see it towards the left side called BASE, base. What you should do is, in case you want to try out a different version of Python, by default we have installed the Python 3.8. It comes in a package with the Anaconda environment. So in case you want to switch the environment and create a new environment, the command is conda create -n. N stands for the environment name. I'll create Python 3.6 and then specify the version of Python which you want to install. Python equal to 3.6. Yes. So this creates an environment running on Python 3.6, and once you have created the environment, you can easily switch from the base environment to the Python 3.6 new environment which you have created by. So before that, let's just list out the environments. Conda env list. See, this shows all the environments which I already have. So the recently created one is Python 36. So Python 3.6. So conda activate py36. So now it changes from the base environment to a Python 3.6 environment. So to start the Jupyter notebooks, you just have to give the command Jupyter notebook. It automatically creates a Jupyter notebook instance and starts opens up the browser. For an example, you can create a Python notebook, Python 3, import, and start importing packages. And there you go. So now you have created, you have installed Anaconda, created a conda environment. and run Jupyter Notebook. In case you want to shut down this environment, what you have to do is go back to the Anaconda prompt and then just press Ctrl C to terminate the instance. Thank you.